So today I've got what is the only free colour on the Toyota Rav4, which I thought was a bit strange. That's why I'm taking you with me, as usual, on a 4K walk to have a look. Urban Khaki is the only colour. Let's have a walk. Let's walk and talk. I can multitask. Look at this. As you see, brand new. Yeah, it's the only colour you can get for free on the Rav4. Even solid white is £390. And the reason why I'm telling you is because you get the two-wheel drive design and it's 39.8. So as soon as you add a colour that's chargeable, it goes over the wealth tax. So you'll be paying an extra £410 a year for 5 years. So in theory, it'll cost you another £2,000 on top of that 390 quid for white. So this is the only, and you thought white would have been cheaper than Urban Khaki, because I quite like this. Few people don't, I do. I think it's a Marmite colour. But yeah, you get that for free. So if you want, if you're if you're tight like me and you don't want to be paying the wealth tax of 410 quid a year, get the design in this colour. It's the only one you can get. It's free. It'll come on the road at 39.8, and no wealth tax. So that was basically today, just having a look at this colour. What do you reckon? Would you drive this? I like it. I think it really suits the Rav. I said before, it seems a bit big. I've done a video on a Yaris Cross, the Premier. They've launched the Premier now in this colour. So yeah, go and have a look at the Yaris Cross video. It is in Urban Khaki. It looks great in the colour. This is XL, so this is way over the wealth tax. But if you're going to get designed, basically the same looking car, but with cloth seats. So yeah, it's basically just a colour, showing you what you can get for free currently in the UK market on a brand new 24 plate. This is the only colour, the only free colour. And pearl white, you'll see I've got a Rav4. Go and have a look at that video. I'm just about to sell it to buy something new, and I'm looking at cars and I don't know what to get, and then this was the only colour if I wanted to be tight and not pay the wealth tax. It's the only colour I could have. So yeah, it's a bit of a dilemma, but yeah, this one's very nicely spec, lovely leather seats in the XL. As we all know, I've looked at them before. Shall we have a quick POV for anyone who has not seen my videos before? Basically, yeah, Rav4s are great. I've got one. Have a look at the video. This is two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, I should say. Has a little round button here. You'll see it on the video. Just the other day I did of mine. A couple of illuminated charge ports in there. Adapter and a port in there. Everything you need. I think they're great. You'll see. I put on loads of videos. Let's not agree to that. Oh, what have we got? You'll see it's got the bigger nav compared to mine. It's all upgraded. We'll put it into reverse. Oh, we don't like that noise though. We don't like that noise. But yeah, it was mainly the colour. What would you do? Would you keep that colour? Not sure. Not sure. So I just thought I'd add in this about the GR Sport, not only because it looks good, it's because if you went up spec to like the GR Sport, which is way over obviously the wealth tax, they're like 49,000. The colours are all free apart from pearl white and scarlet flare. So there is no Urban Khaki. I think there's like silver grey, black and blue, which are free. So this is the free colour on the GR Sport. Like I said, going to pay 49. So it's already going to come over the wealth tax. So just thought I'd let you know and just show you this is what you get for another almost 10,000. This one's got a pan roof as well. So this is not going to give you much change out of 50 grand, literally about 80 quid. Pan roof, GR seats. Very, very nice. You'll see I've done a video on this. Great cars. They've lightened the wheels, made them more rigid, sports tuner suspension, and they look like that. But anyway, we'll get back to the other one. I finished looking. I love this car. This car is amazing. If you've ordered one of these, you've done well. They're a great car. Great car. I mean, if you were given a choice of this or a Range Rover to drive around the world, win £1 million, even the most staunch Range Rover fans are going to drive around the world in this because they know they'll get back in it and have fun in it. And the Range Rover's not going to make it past Dover, are they? But anyway, let's not annoy Range Rover fans too much. But yeah, this colour, free on the GR. You're paying nearly 50 grand. Let's get back to the Urban Khaki. So, would you buy this? I would. Let's have a quick look. This is the actual XL spec. So it's got lovely leather seats, very plushly trimmed. You'll see on my video actually, I've put mine up for sale. I'm getting out of mine after 4 years. Go and have a look at that video. It's got a pan roof as well, like mine. But yeah, it was mainly the colour. like I said, I couldn't believe that this is the only free colour you can get at the moment on a Toyota Rav4. See, this is brand new, 24 spec, hybrid, not plug-in, so obviously all the plug-ins are way over the wealth tax figures. So yeah, if you want a design Rav4 and you don't want to be paying the £410 a year, this is the colour you have got to get, which I don't think is too bad. Let's do what we always do, we'll jump in POV. POV of the Ravs, I love them, you'll see all my videos, I've got one. I've just put a video on of my Rav4 after 4 years. Still loving it, still going strong. And it's 20 grand part exchange price at the moment, so go and have a look at that video. Cracking value, got a heated steering wheel, boot release, view. So we can press that and I'll show you that if you haven't seen my other videos. Basically shows you around the vehicle on a 360, so you know you're not going to run over anything or hit any posts just before you depart, which is pretty good. You'll see on my video from the other day, mine's slightly different to that. Mine's the older spec from 4 years ago, but still good. Clock set slightly improved. I mean, I don't think I've got a compass, but do I need one? Nah, not sure. So what else have we got in here? Oh, we don't want too much beeping. You've got a couple of illuminated charge ports in there. Got the auto dimming mirror, the SOS button. It's got a pan roof as well. This one, actually, is it the same pan roof as mine? Yeah, exactly the same as mine. And you'll see from my videos, I've been looking at CHRs. I like to have a cover because I don't want to always be looking at the sun. And on the Rav4s you get a cover, but on the CHR you do not get a cover. But anyway, now I am ranting about stuff that I've ranted about too much in the past. So let's crack on with the task in hand of looking at this Urban Khaki. If you've not looked at the engines on a 2.5 hybrid Rav, that is what it looks like. You'll see on my video, mine's done 54,000 miles now. So you'll see it's got a bit dusty and dirty. That's what a new engine looks like compared to mine. But yeah, like I said, go and have a look at my video. See what mine is like now after 4 years. I've got the dynamics, got the black wheels. See, I'm not a fan of this grey plastic. I'm not a fan of that grey plastic. So I went for the dynamic, it's black. Pearl paint, cost me another 900. But then if you look how prices have gone for the last 4 years, I paid $39.95 for mine. So it came under the wealth tax. 4 years later, if I wanted a spec that's all-wheel drive, pearl paint, you're looking at about 48. So, you know, that's, what's that, about a 20% increase in price, which everything's gone up, but the only problem is they haven't increased the wealth tax on the road fund license. So now a lot more cars are breaking that barrier. So I thought today I will show you the only colour you can get that comes under, and it's this. So if you enjoyed that video, please do give it a like. It helps my channel immensely. I'm just showing you things that have caught my eye, and I'm taking you with me on a 4K walk to have a look. So you have a great day. It's raining outside, hence why I'm in here yet again. You see I love mentioning the weather, along with things like pan roofs and stuff like that. But yeah, this has got the bigger wheels actually, so if you get the design, slightly smaller, similar style, very similar looking vehicle. You won't get the pan roof, obviously. You can get a pan roof, but it puts it over the wealth tax. So I'm just going to add this in. It's just stopped raining, so I thought I'd show you it outside. This is what the Urban Khaki looks like in the daylight, albeit a bit gloomy today. I think it's quite nice. What do you reckon? Would you have that? I would. And like I said, you're not going to pay an extra 410 quid a year, which works out to over £2,000 more in road fund licence. So there you go. There's the lights I mentioned the other day. It's got great lights. But yeah, there she is, Urban Khaki.